Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 11, day 1 of our study. This week's topic is satisfied. Our scripture verse today comes from Job 9:27 from the NIV version. I will forget my complaint, I will change my expression and smile. Our question to just kind of get focused for the week is, what kinds of food do you find most satisfying? Crunchy or chewy? Salty or sweet? Hot or cold? So I'll say those again. Crunchy or chewy? Salty or sweet? Hot or cold? I'll give you a few seconds to think about that. So what do you say when you've had enough, when you are satisfied? As babies, we started out by burping, then later by learning to say, all done. When we were a little older, we used I'm full to get out of eating our vegetables. Now we push ourselves back from the table and say, I couldn't eat another bite. We're sated, we're stuffed, bursting, jam-packed, chock-full, crammed, filled to the gills, and full up. When we are satisfied with God, how do we behave ourselves? Do we keep trying to pile things on our plates? Do we keep taking just one more trip to the buffet? Do we look longingly towards the kitchen door, hoping something more will be forthcoming? Or do we lay down our fork, push back from the table, and give our heartfelt thanks for what has been provided? You know, sometimes we think enough's never enough, right? And so we're looking for that next thing. So sometimes we just need to sit back and enjoy what we've had and just not long for more, just be satisfied. And that's okay. Our first question for this week is, there's only one thing that should be coming out of the mouth of a contented woman. What is that, according to Ephesians 5:4? And our second question, cultivating contentment means being satisfied with our niche in life, trusting that God has everything under control and focusing your attention on Jesus instead of others. But it also means learning to be grateful for what you have. What does Paul urge us to do in Colossians 3:15? So I look forward to your answers. I hope you all had a good weekend and you're ready to start the next week. So stay safe, stay healthy, and blessings to you. And I will talk to you tomorrow.